Hi everyone, Janet String Theory here, working at home today. I just wanted to jump on really quick because Marie has released the design for her 4-day knit along this year. And we made a sample. Krista made the sample for me, and we put together kits for you. So I wanted you to be able to see what this looks like in person or on a person. So Marie's 4-day knit along starts on the 4th of July, and you pick 4 days. They don't have to be consecutive days to make your sweater. And it's really, really fun because you're doing something that you think is impossible. And when you make something impossible possible, it just carries, that joy just carries to the rest of your life. So very fun. It's also fun because you've got all these people working on it at the same time. So that camaraderie, the momentum, just the energy of that carries you through. I've done them personally twice in 4 days. Actually, the first one took 5 days, and because I did some significant ripping out, and then the second one I did in 4 days, and it's just a fun thing. So let me show you a couple of the features about the kits that we're putting together. This yarn that we used for the yoke up here and the body and the sleeves is Manos Milo. It's from Manos del Uruguay. It's a women's cooperative in Uruguay. We love that. And fair trade as well. The blend of Milo is a merino and linen blend. And so it gives, I'll show you on the arm, it gives you just this beautiful coloring. It's hand dyed, so you can see there's kind of lights and darks of the same color. And then the little fleck, kind of tweedy flecks, are the linen, because the linen takes the dye differently than the wool does. The linen also gives it great drape and a lightness, which makes it perfect for spring, summer, fall wear. Kristen made the elbow length sleeves at my request. There is also a short sleeve version in the pattern, so you can do it either way. The pop that you see here is plied yarns. So we asked Anne to look at the color combinations that we came up with in Milo and asked her to identify some applied yarn that would look really cool as the pop. I don't know if I can get close enough for you to see that. Plied yarn is 2 different strands of yarn that are hand dyed and then sent back to the mill to ply together. It's a beautiful, beautiful yarn and just adds a really little special pop there. There's also on the side, you can see, we get in the light, this beautiful detail on the side. So I'm sure I didn't knit this, but it looks like it would be really, really fun knit to do. Start at the top, you work this really fun chevron sort of pattern, zigzaggy, and then you work on the body. And while you're working on the body, I've got the stockinette. It's going to go pretty quickly, but just for some added interest and to keep track of where you are, you've got the beautiful lace detail on the side. So I hope you'll consider joining in, and if you would like one of our kits, go onto our website and take a look at the colors that we especially picked out for you. So I highly encourage you, and if you've got any questions, drop them in the chat.